know.
How do you do that?
Holy
Holy oh my
That's what I was thinking. I was literally thinking holy
Pocket full of sunshine, keys jingle and chime. Got that travel feeling, leaving all behind. A little silver circle attached to my chain. More than meets the eye, a magical domain. Air tag illusion, now you see it, now you don't. The ring disappears, then back to its spot. Sleight of hand so swift, a mystifying art. Mark Bennett's magic, capturing every heart.
No, I don't think it was very long. It is still shiny, it's still shiny. Look, just do me a favour, hold on to that for, well, actually hold on to my wrist there for a second. Hold on to my wrist. Now, I've got to be very careful how this works, alright? Because, I'm going to give you a guarantor. Could you be the guarantor? Is that alright? Hold on to my keys for a second. That's if I lose anything, you get my car. Is that alright? Fair enough? Oh, Christ. Right, can you just hold on 2 seconds? Can you just let go for a second? 2 seconds. Oh, Christ. Oh, Christ. Hold on. Oh. Oh, sorry, I thought I lost my keys. Sorry. Sorry. Oh, thank God for AirTags, eh?
Air tag illusion, now you see it, now you don't. A ring disappears, then back to its spot. Sleight of hand so swift, a mystifying art. Mark Bennett's magic, capturing every heart.
Sorry, I've lost my keys.
It's not just a trap,
Jesus.
portal to dreams.
I feel worried there.
Where
Oh, you know what?
rings
We
take
lost the keys,
flight
it would
and
be an
nothing's
absolute
what it
nightmare if we lost the
seems.
keys.
A touch of enchantment, a sprinkle of glee. This air tag magic sets your imagination free. Air tag illusion, now you see it, now you don't.
Jesus, I completely forgot you had my keys.
And back to its spot.
Oh, God, thank God for an AirTag.
Sleight of hand so swift, a mystifying art. Mark Bennett's magic, capturing every heart.
That's what I was thinking. I was literally thinking holy fucking fuck.
So next time you travel, the magic unfolds.
I'll read it next time,
There's a
I can't watch
secret
it.
story to be told. The disappearing ring,
Thank you so much.
to behold. Mark Bennett's magic, more precious and
That was magic.
That was magic.